Welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for all things lifestyle and business. Today, we're exploring an exciting topic that's sure to pique your interest. If you're new here, House Lux Estate is all about enriching your life and expanding your horizons, whether that's through financial tips, lifestyle hacks, or business insights. We aim to bring you valuable content that you can apply in your day-to-day life. Our topic today is a wonderful blend of passion and profit. We're talking about the fitness industry, a booming sector that's not just about staying in shape, but also about making your wallet healthier. If you're a fitness coach or someone who's considering this career path, you're in for a treat. We're going to discuss 10 incredible ways you can make money in this space, from personal training to online coaching and even selling fitness products. Now let's delve into the 10 ways you can turn your passion for fitness into a profitable venture. First on our list, the most obvious way to make money as a fitness coach, personal training. This model of fitness coaching is as old as fitness itself, and it's still the bread and butter for many coaches. Essentially, personal training involves one-on-one sessions where you provide tailored workouts and nutritional advice to your clients. Now, the profitability of personal training is heavily dependent on your ability to attract and retain clients. To do this, you need to demonstrate your expertise, build strong relationships, and deliver results. Social media, word of mouth, and local advertising can be effective ways to attract new clients. Offering free sessions or discounts for referrals can also be a great strategy to build your client base. Remember, personal training is not just about the workout. It's about providing a comprehensive service that helps your clients achieve their fitness goals. Thus, personal training is a primary revenue stream for fitness coaches. The second method to make money as a fitness coach is by conducting group classes. These sessions are a wonderful opportunity to maximize your income and impact. By training multiple clients at once, you can earn more per hour than you would with individual sessions. Plus, they offer a sense of camaraderie and friendly competition that many clients love. Arranging group classes can be as simple or as complex as you want it to be. You could organize outdoor boot camps in your local park or rent a studio for indoor classes. You could even conduct them online, reaching out to a global audience right from your living room. The key to profitability is to offer a unique, engaging experience that keeps clients coming back for more. This could mean incorporating fun, challenging exercises or creating a supportive, community-focused environment. Group classes are not only profitable, but they also allow you to reach more people at once. Our third method is online coaching, a booming field in the fitness industry. With the rise of digital technology, it's no surprise that coaching has found its place online. It's convenient, accessible, and the perfect solution for those who can't make it to the gym. But what exactly does online coaching entail? It's all about providing tailored fitness programs, dietary advice, and constant support to clients, all through digital platforms. It's fitness coaching, but with a modern twist. Transitioning into online coaching might seem daunting at first, but it's simpler than you think. All you need is a good understanding of fitness, the ability to motivate others, and a reliable internet connection. It's about taking your skills as a fitness coach and translating them into a digital format. The beauty of online coaching is its flexibility. You can work from anywhere, at any time. So if you're looking to expand your fitness business and reach a wider audience, online coaching is the way to go. Online coaching is a flexible and profitable way to build your fitness business. Fourth on our list is selling fitness products. The fitness industry is booming with a wide array of products, from fitness equipment and workout gear to supplements and health foods. As a fitness coach, you can tap into this market and create a significant revenue stream. You might be wondering, how do I source these products? Well, you can either create your own line of products if you have the resources, or you could partner with established brands and sell their products. Both require some investment, but the returns can be substantial. For instance, if you've developed a unique workout routine, you can sell related equipment or gear. If you're a nutrition expert, you could sell a line of health foods or supplements. It's all about leveraging your expertise to sell products that your clients or followers will find valuable. Selling fitness products can be a great way to supplement your income as a fitness coach. Our fifth method is hosting fitness retreats. Imagine a weekend getaway in a serene location where people come to unwind, relax, and focus on their health and fitness goals. Sounds appealing, doesn't it? This is the concept of a fitness retreat. As a fitness coach, you can organize these retreats, offering a unique blend of exercise, nutrition, and relaxation to your clients. The process involves finding a suitable venue, planning activities, and promoting the event. Now, you might be wondering about the profitability. Well, fitness retreats can be a significant income source. You charge a fee that covers the costs and provides you with a profit. The uniqueness of this service can attract a wide range of clients, from corporate groups to individuals seeking a healthier lifestyle. Remember, the key to success is delivering an experience that leaves participants feeling rejuvenated and motivated to maintain their fitness. Fitness retreats can be a fun and rewarding way to make money as a fitness coach. Coming up at number 6, we have fitness books and ebooks. Now, if you're a fitness coach brimming with knowledge and expertise, why not put it all down in words? It's a fantastic way to reach a wider audience, and it can be incredibly profitable. You can start by identifying a niche in the fitness market that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Then, it's all about creating engaging, informative content that not only educates, but also motivates your readers. Remember, it's not just about physical fitness. People are increasingly interested in mental well-being, nutrition, and holistic health. So don't hesitate to explore these areas in your book. Once your manuscript is ready, you can self-publish or partner with a publishing house. Ebooks can be sold on various platforms, including your own website. And don't forget, you can also offer your book as a bonus to your coaching clients, or sell it at seminars and workshops. Fitness books and ebooks are a great way to share your knowledge and make money. Our 7th method is affiliate marketing. This is an incredible way to make money without having to create or sell your own products. The concept is simple. You partner with a company and promote their products or services. When your promotion leads to a sale, you get a commission. Getting started is straightforward. Identify a product or service that aligns with your brand and audience. Reach out to the company and ask about their affiliate program. If they have one, they'll provide you with a unique link to track your sales. Now, let's talk profitability. The income potential is truly limitless. It depends on the commission rate, the price of the product or service, and how effectively you promote it. Some fitness coaches make a few $100s a month from affiliate marketing, while others make thousands. Affiliate marketing is a passive income stream that can significantly boost your earnings. So, why not give it a shot? 8th on our list is launching a fitness app. In today's digital age, it's no surprise that fitness apps are gaining popularity. They offer convenience, personalization, and the ability to track progress, making them a fantastic platform for fitness coaches to monetize their expertise. Creating a fitness app might seem daunting, but with the right team and a clear vision, it can be a game changer. You can offer features like workout routines, meal plans, progress trackers, and even virtual coaching. The potential profitability is immense, given the right marketing strategy. Speaking of marketing, it's crucial to focus on your unique selling points. Why should someone choose your app over the countless others? Is it your innovative workouts, your nutrition tips, or your engaging personality? Whatever it is, make sure to highlight it in your marketing efforts. Remember, consistency is key in this venture. Regularly updating your app with fresh content will keep users engaged and coming back for more. A fitness app can be a profitable venture if done right. Our 9th method is creating sponsored content. Sponsored content is a smart way to monetize your fitness brand. It's all about partnering with relevant companies that align with your brand and audience. You can create content that highlights these products or services, whether it's through workout videos, health and wellness tips, or even product reviews. It's a win-win situation as businesses get exposure to your audience, and you get paid to promote products that you believe in. Attracting sponsors can be a journey, but it's not an impossible one. Start by building a strong online presence and a committed audience. Sponsors value coaches who can provide a genuine connection with their audience, so remember to be authentic and consistent with your content. When done right, sponsored content can be a significant revenue stream. It not only diversifies your income, but also adds value to your brand by associating it with other respected businesses in the industry. Sponsored content can be a lucrative way to make money as a fitness coach. And finally, 10th on our list is starting a fitness podcast. A powerful medium that allows you to share your expertise with a worldwide audience, podcasts have exploded in popularity over the last few years. Starting your fitness podcast might seem daunting at first, but it's simpler than you think. You need a unique concept, a good microphone, and a passion for fitness. From there, it's all about creating engaging content that resonates with your listeners. But how do you monetize it? There are several ways. You could go the sponsorship route, where companies pay you to mention their products. Alternatively, you might consider a subscription model, where listeners pay for premium content. Growing your listener base is key. Engage with your audience, invite guest speakers, and promote your podcast on social media. Remember, consistency is king in the podcast world. A fitness podcast can not only boost your income, but also your influence in the fitness industry. And there you have it, 10 effective ways to make money as a fitness coach. From personal training to group classes, from online coaching to selling fitness products, there are numerous paths to financial success in this industry. Delving into fitness retreats or writing fitness books and ebooks can be rewarding, both personally and financially. Affiliate marketing, developing a fitness app, creating sponsored content, or even starting a fitness podcast can also open new revenue streams for you. Each of these avenues offers a unique blend of opportunities and challenges, so it's important to explore them based on your interests, skills, and capabilities. The fitness industry is diverse and ever-evolving, and so should your approach to business within it. Remember, the key is to combine your passion for fitness with smart business strategies. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insightful content. Until next time, stay fit and stay profitable.